Hi AmeriCorps, this is baby Lona, and it's Halloween. So we're filming her and she's being stubborn and rotten, so Grandma's gonna hold her while we be interviewed. It's real easy to watch things on the news and have an opinion on them, but the first time you volunteer or do something that you don't normally do, you really get a new education to what's out there, what people are being exposed to. There's such a need out there for food justice and access to food. And sometimes, while I love my gardening aspect of it and I'm providing produce that's healthy, it's okay too that if you have to give somebody a box of sugar-coated cereal, they're still getting something to eat. And there is such a hunger in our area that Ingham County Health Department's program with AmeriCorps is really making a difference. I don't know, I just have found it to be, as I said before, it feeds my soul, and I just love every moment of it. My name is Jean Simmons. I'm with the Ingham County Health Department AmeriCorps State Program, and we get things done.